Chapter 2, Section 8. Objective, learn to solve a multi-step equation for the value of the variable. Essential question, how do I solve multi-step equations with rational numbers? Sometimes more than one inverse operation is needed to solve an equation. Before solving, ask yourself, what is being done to the variable and in what order? Then work backwards to undo the operation. So start by reading the problem to yourself. Solve n divided by 4 plus 8 equals 18. If you were listening carefully, you heard division and addition. Now remember, we want to work backwards, so we look at the variable, and the first thing that's happening is it's being divided by 4. So we would leave that until the very end to deal with. Then it's plus 8. So the first thing we want to undo would be the adding of 8. So let's subtract 8 from both sides. The result of that would be n over 4 equals 8 or equals 10. To undo division, we multiply. So remember, we put the 4 on both sides of the equation like you see in the red. The 4 times the n divided by 4, the 4's cancel, and 4 times 10 is 40, so n equals 40. Remember to check your answer. 40 divided by 4 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, the answer we were looking for. Read it again. Solve n divided by 3 plus 7 equals 22. So the first thing we do to n is divide it by 3, then we add 7. So let's get rid of the 7 first. Start by subtracting 7 from both sides. After that's done, we have n divided by 3 equals 15. Multiply both sides by 3 so that the 3's will cancel to give us 1n, and 3 times 15 is 45. Check your answer. Take 45 divided by 3 to get 15. 15 plus 7 equals 22. This is a little bit more unique. Again, read it to yourself before you begin. Solve y minus 7 divided by 2 equals 7. So the first thing that's happening to the variable is it's subtracted 7 from it. Then it's divided by 2. So we still work backwards, and we would get rid of the 2 first this time. So what does that look like? We multiply both sides by 2. The difference is that on the left side, we don't just have a y anymore, we have a whole numerator of y minus 7, and that remains because the 2's cancel anyway. So now y minus 7 equals 14. Now we add 7 to both sides, and y equals 21. When we go to check our answer, we plug 21 in. Because it's in the numerator, we have to do 21 minus 7 first, which is 14. Then 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Let's try another one like that. Solve y minus 4 divided by 3 equals 9. So the last thing we do to y is divide it by 3, so the first thing that we undo would be to multiply by 3. So again, just to show you how the process works, these 3's cancel because it's like having 3 divided by 3, which equals 1. That leaves us with y minus 4 equals 27 when you multiply 9 times 3. And then we add 4 to both sides so that y equals 31. When you're checking your answer, you're replacing the y with 31. So 31 minus 4 gives us 27. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. We've got it. Please make sure your notes are filled out completely. That includes highlighting and underlining or circling anything that you feel is really important or that you're confused on. Review your notes, complete the summary before class, and come prepared for a formative lesson quiz on how well you understand multi-step equations.